How to remove pin from Pinterest board. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. Then go to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, as you can see, I have this anime board right here. Say for example, I wanted to delete a pin and remove it from this board. All what I have to do is click and hold on the pin till it gives me this pop-up options list, and while still holding, you want to move to the pencil icon where it says edit, then let go, just like this, and let go, and it will open up this window. At the mid section of the screen, you can see that it says delete this pin, which is an option that you want to click on, and a confirmation window will pop up at the bottom that tells you if you delete this pin, it'll be gone for good, and those who've saved it won't be able to view it. So here, all what you have to do is just click on delete, that is in red, and that's it. As you can see, the pin has now been deleted from this board. As you can see, it's now gone, and that's it. That was it for this video. That's how you can delete and remove a pin from a Pinterest board. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.